Hello everyone and welcome to our G4G atelier. Today we are talking about renewal. For us at Greenlight for Girls, repeating an experiment, an event, a workshop is never enough. We always want to improve it, look at it from a new perspective, and build on it to continuously innovate. Today we are asking, how can we take something that already exists and renew it? That's why in our experiment, we are focusing on renewable energy, turning everyday objects, such as a lamp or a car, into new ones that are, for instance, solar powered. Curious? Let's go. In this experiment, half of the fun is designing the frame of your car and making it your own. Here, we use simple material such as popsicle sticks, straws, laundry pegs, but you can be creative and don't hesitate to push to a new limit. 4 wheels can maybe turn into 8, and a car could become a bus or a train. Once you are happy with the frame or body of your car, you need to glue the motor onto the frame and make sure it has a way to connect with the car's wheels. Here we used a couple of plastic cogs to create a gear and make the connection between the motor and the car's wheels. When the motor turns, it activates the gear made out of plastic cogs, which makes the car wheel spin. Remember to make sure that the cog that is attached to the motor grips well into the cogs of the car frame. Now is the time to connect the motor to the solar panel. In order to do that, just connect the red wire from the motor to the red wire from the solar panel and the black wire from the motor to the black wire of the solar panel. Easy, right? We used a laundry peg to connect the solar panel to the body of the car. This allows us to be creative with our design and also to find the best position for sun exposure, depending on where and at what time of the day you drive the car.